How to sign up on Khan Academy. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can sign up on Khan Academy just by following some steps. So let's get started with it. First of all, you may download the Khan Academy application onto your device, or you may go to your browser. Right now I'm using an app. So when you open the app, you get this interface. You just need to tap on the sign in option, and you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or sign up with email. If you don't have an account, I will choose the option of going with Google right now. Then you need to choose your Google account. After choosing your Google account, you need to wait for seconds and you will be signed up very easily. And there you go, you have already signed up. You can join classes you want, explore subjects. You may also bookmark the subjects or the test you want. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.